I'll try to get you a Nido tonight, but they are sold out everywhere.
My baby want a Nido. She been telling me all night long. Squishies and dumplings, the list goes on and on. This 9 to 5 ain't working. What the hell am I working for? I can't worry about my problems when there are more squishies around the store. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round. We need plenty more. Squeezing on the table, don't need no dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone hand me up a big ol' Nido squishy. They know me and my dumplings got a history. There's a toy hall live stream near my feed. Everybody in the room getting squishy.
Help!
Everybody in the room getting squishy.
Somebody help me right now!
Everybody in the room getting squishy. Everybody in the room getting squishy. Everybody in the room getting squishy. I've been squishy since I left. I ain't changing for a check. Tell my mom I ain't forget. Oh Lord, I woke up squeezing at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend.
Help!
Oh Lord. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round. We need plenty more. Two-stepping with my mochi. She don't need no dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone hand me up a big ol' Nido squish. Big ol' Nido. They know me and my dumplings got a hit. We go way back. There's a toy hall live stream near my. Okay, let's go. Everybody in the room getting squishy. In the room getting squishy. In the room getting squishy. Everybody in
Somebody
the room
help me right now.
Everybody in the room getting squishy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When the battery dies and they kick us off the store. That's fucking messed up, bro. They ran out of the squishies at the store.